Welcome everyone. In this video, we will show you how to download and install SQL Server Management Studio or SSMS. I'm continuing from the previous video installing the SQL Server Express. I will put the link below if you're keen to watch it. So let's start the tutorial. Assuming you just installed the SQL Server Express, there is a button that you can click on the dialog box, so you will be able to download the file that you need. And if ever a SQL Server is already installed in your machine, I have the link for you to copy and paste to your browser so that you could download the latest version of the SSMS. You can see on the top right of your screen the file is being downloaded. Let's fire up this file. It's now starting the setup. In the dialog box, it suggests a location where to install. You could just accept the default, or you can just change the location and then click the install button. And let it run for a few minutes to install everything we need. Depending on the machine that you're using, it could take several minutes to fully install. So I'm just going to fast forward this for us. The setup is almost done, and there you go. Setup completed. I have here a shortcut in the desktop. Let's run the SSMS. Just in case you don't have it, hit the Windows button on your keyboard and search for SSMS and create a shortcut in your desktop or taskbar. You can connect to your SQL Server. In the dialog box, check the details of server type, server name, and authentication. Then click the Connect button. Here is the user interface of SSMS. We have the menu bar, the toolbar, and the Object Explorer. We will learn more on this in the next video. And that's how to download and install SQL Server Management Studio or SSMS. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification icon. We'll see you again.